Guru. I am B.D. Tripathi, your chemistry teacher. Today I am going to start your chemistry chapter solutions. Topic: elevation of boiling point. The boiling point of a liquid may be defined as the temperature at which it boils or the temperature at which its vapor pressure becomes equal to atmospheric pressure. For example, water boils at 373.15 Kelvin, 100 degrees Celsius, because at this temperature the vapor pressure of water is 1.013 bar 1 atmosphere. If a small amount of a non-volatile solute is added to a volatile solvent, for example water, the vapor pressure of the solution formed will decrease. This means that the solution will have to be heated to a higher temperature in order that its vapor pressure is equal to the atmospheric pressure. Thus, the boiling point temperature Tb of the solution will be more than that of the pure solvent T0B, and there will be elevation or rise in boiling point temperature. Let T0 be the boiling point of pure solvent and Tb be the boiling point of solution. The increase in the boiling point delta Tb equal to Tb minus T0B is known as elevation of boiling point. For dilute solutions, the elevation of boiling point delta Tb is directly proportional to the molar concentration of the solute in a solution. Thus, delta Tb is proportional to small m, equation number 1, or delta Tb equal to Kb into small m, equation number 2. Here small m is the molality and Kb is a constant called boiling point elevation constant or molar elevation constant or molar ebullioscopic constant. The unit of Kb is Kelvin kilogram mole inverse. If m equal to 1, delta Tb equal to Kb. Therefore, molar elevation constant delta Tb may be defined as elevation in boiling point temperature for 1 molar solution, that is, the solution in which 1 mole of solute is dissolved in 1 kg of solvent. Derivation of the solution delta Tb equal to Kb into m. If W2 gram of solute of molar mass capital M2 is dissolved in W1 gram of solvent, then the molality small m of the solution is given by the expression small m equal to W2 upon M2 upon W1 upon 1000 equal to 1000 into W2 upon M2 into W1, equation 3. Substituting the value of molality in equation 2, we get delta Tb equal to Kb into 1000 into W2 upon M2 into W1, equation 4, or M2 equal to Kb into 1000 into W2 upon delta Tb into W1. All other values being known, the observed molecular mass of solute can be calculated from equation number 5. Important board problems on elevation of boiling point. When 1.5 gram of a non-volatile solute was dissolved in 90 gram of benzene, the boiling point of benzene raised from 353.23 Kelvin to 353.93 Kelvin. Calculate the molar mass of solute. Kb for benzene equal to 2.52 kg mole inverse, given W2 equal to 1.5 gram, W1 equal to 90 gram, delta Tb equal to 353.93 minus 353.23 equal to 0.7 Kelvin, Kb equal to 2.52 kg mole inverse, M2 equal to Kb into 1000 into W2 upon delta Tb into W1, or M2 equal to 2.52 into 1000 into 1.5 upon 0.7 into 90. m2 equal to 60 gram mole inverse. This will be your answer. Next problem, problem number 2. 18 gram of glucose C6H12O6 is dissolved in 1 kg of water in a saucepan. At what temperature will water boil under 1.013 bar pressure? Given Kb for water is 0.52 kg mole inverse. Solution: moles of glucose 18 gram upon 180 gram mole inverse equal to 0.1 mole. Number of kilograms of solvent 1 kg. Thus molality of glucose solution m equal to moles of solute upon mass of solvent in kg equal to 0.1 mole upon 1 kg equal to 0.1 mole kg inverse. Delta TB equal to Kb into m equal to 0.52 kg mole inverse into 0.1 mole kg inverse equal to 0.052 Kelvin. Since water boils at 373.15 Kelvin at 1.013 bar pressure, therefore the boiling point of solution will be 373.15 plus 0.052 equal to 373.202 Kelvin. This will be your answer. Problem number 3. A solution is prepared by dissolving 1.25 gram of oil of wintergreen methyl salicylate in 99.0 gram of benzene, has a boiling point of 80.31 Kelvin. Determine the molar mass of this compound. Boiling point of pure benzene 80.10 Kelvin and Kb for benzene equal to 2.53 kg mole inverse. Solution: mb equal to Kb into Wb upon delta Tb into Wa. Given Kb equal to 2.53 kg mole inverse, Wb equal to 1.25 gram, Wa equal to 99 equal to 0.099 kg. Delta Tb equal to 80.31 minus 80.10 equal to 0.21 Kelvin. By substituting, putting the value mb equal to 2.53 kg mole inverse into 1.25 gram upon 0.21 Kelvin into 0.099 kg, mb equal to 152.12 gram mole inverse. This will be your answer. Thank you. Okay.